Welcome to Kids Grade. Today we learn about body sounds. What is body sounds? Body sounds refer to the various noises and sound that our body can make. These sounds are a normal part of our bodily functions and can vary from person to person. So, let's learn some body sounds. Heartbeat, दिल की धड़कन. Hiccup, हिचकी. Burp, डकार. Yawn, जमाई. Snore, खर्राटे. Growl, गुर्राना. Sneeze, छींक. Cough, खांसी. Gargle, गरारे करना. Bleach, उपकाई. Groan, कराहना. Sing, ah. Whistle, सीटी बजाना. Swash, झड़कना. Clap, ताली बजाना. Slap, थप्पड़ मारना. Sneeze, सूंघना. Grunt, उगलना. Crunch, चबाना. Burr, गरजना. Whisper, फुसफुसाना. Hiss, फूंक मारना. Hoot, चीखना. So these are some body sounds of our body. Learn these body sounds and use them in your daily sentences. Till then, bye.